Amazing excavator collection.
Excavator Ripper.
Excavator Ripper is a specialized attachment designed to break up hard or compacted materials such as rock, concrete, or frozen ground. It consists of a sturdy toothed or pointed tool mounted on the end of the excavator's arm. When attached to the excavator and operated hydraulically, the ripper exerts powerful force to penetrate and fracture the material, making it easier to excavate or remove. Excavator rippers are commonly used in construction, mining, quarrying, and road maintenance projects to loosen and break up tough surfaces before further excavation or processing. Their ability to break through challenging materials efficiently makes them valuable tools for enhancing productivity and efficiency on job sites.
Dragline excavator.
Bucket excavator is a type of excavator equipped with a pair of buckets with clamshell-like hinges that open and close like jaws. This equipment is specifically designed to collect and lift materials such as soil, sand, gravel, or debris. Excavator clamshells are commonly used in applications such as excavation, confined space material recovery, and material handling in construction and mining projects. Its design allows for precise collection, lifting, and placement of materials, enhancing the excavator's versatility and productivity in a variety of environments.
Excavator Digger.
The Excavator Digger is a vital piece of heavy machinery used in construction, mining, and landscaping. With its powerful hydraulic system and versatile bucket or shovel attachment, it efficiently digs, lifts, and moves large quantities of earth and debris. From digging trenches to clearing land, it plays a crucial role in shaping landscapes and facilitating construction projects with speed and precision.
Excavator Grapple.
Excavator Grapple is a type of excavator equipped with a specialized attachment designed with a pair of hinged jaws, similar to a clamshell, which operate by opening and closing like jaws. This equipment is specifically tailored to efficiently grasp and lift various materials such as logs, branches, debris, and rocks. Excavator grapples are extensively utilized in tasks such as land clearing, site cleanup, and material handling within construction, forestry, and waste management sectors. Their precise design enables accurate gripping, lifting, and positioning of materials, thereby enhancing the excavator's versatility and productivity across different work environments.
Excavator Auger.
Excavator Auger is a specialized attachment for excavators designed for drilling holes in the ground. It consists of a rotating helical screw-shaped drill bit attached to the end of the excavator's arm. The excavator auger is commonly used in construction, landscaping, and utility installation projects for tasks such as drilling holes for fence posts, foundations, or tree planting.
Tractor.
Tractor is a versatile agricultural vehicle used for various tasks such as plowing, tilling, planting, and hauling. It typically features large rear wheels, or tracks for traction, and a powerful engine to provide the necessary pulling force. Tractors come in different sizes and configurations, ranging from small garden tractors for residential use to large heavy-duty models for commercial farming operations. They are essential machines in agriculture, forestry, construction, and landscaping industries, playing a crucial role in increasing efficiency and productivity in various tasks. Projects where access to both land and water is essential.
Excavator Magnet.
Excavator Magnet is a type of excavator equipped with a specialized attachment designed to lift and handle ferrous materials using magnetic force. It is typically mounted to the arm of an excavator and powered by the machine's hydraulic system. Excavator magnets are commonly used in scrap metal recycling yards, construction sites, and demolition projects to efficiently collect and move ferrous materials such as iron, steel, and other metals. By attracting and lifting ferrous materials with ease, excavator magnets streamline the cleanup process, improve site safety, and enhance overall efficiency in material handling operations.
Excavator Amphibious.
Amphibious excavator is a versatile piece of heavy equipment designed to operate on both land and water. Equipped with special pontoons or floating tracks, it can navigate through marshes, swamps, shallow waters, and other soft terrains that traditional excavators may struggle with. This capability makes amphibious excavators invaluable in various applications such as dredging, wetland restoration, shoreline maintenance, and environmental cleanup projects.
Excavator Wrecking Ball.
Excavator Wrecking Ball is a heavy demolition attachment used to demolish structures by swinging a large ball attached to the end of an excavator's arm. It's commonly used in large-scale demolition projects for efficiently breaking apart buildings and other structures.